It's Friday, fool, and you need this tool. Welcome back to another glorious episode of It's Friday, fool, you need this tool. My name is Kyle Voss, and on Fridays, I bring you a tool that I use here in this shop or that I have featured on this channel. So this week's tool is the Ultrasonic cleaner. Now this is a big boy. So this Ultrasonic cleaner comes from Vever. I've done some tools from them in the past. Most people probably don't need one this big, but I really wanted to be able to clean big parts, nuts, bolts, tools, carburetor parts, pew parts. Whatever it is, I want to be able to clean it in one big unit, and so that's why I went with this bad boy. This is a heated and ultrasonic cleaner. Heated ultrasonic cleaner. Anyway, you can actually heat the cleaner inside of this along with the ultrasonic part of the cleaning. So you have your temp settings on this side. You can basically raise the temp up and down, and you can turn it on and off so you don't have to use it necessarily. And then your ultrasonic settings are over here, minutes, seconds, and then you can turn it on and off as well. Other than that, this thing's pretty simple. It's got an on and off, a main power on and off switch on the back. It has a drain hose that comes with it with a fitting, so pretty self-explanatory that we can drain the cleaner out of it. And then on the end here, you can see that it actually has a ball valve. So when it comes time to empty this thing out, you're not trying to turn it over. You basically just crack the ball valve. You can let it drain out into something, replenish it with more cleaner. Nice stainless lid. And on the inside, you actually have a basket. So it's got a really large parts basket that just fits right in here. It's got rubber little feet on the bottom, so it's not jangling around in there. Kind of sits on that rubber. Basket fits nicely inside. Lid closes. You're ready to rock and roll. This particular one, you could probably put, I don't know, you could probably put 2 whole carburetors in there. Now, you wouldn't want to put whole carburetors in there, but you could if you wanted to. One of the things I think I'm going to do with this, I'm actually going to make some kind of rack to hold fuel injectors. So fuel injector, you don't want to sonic clean the whole entire thing. You kind of just want to clean the tips. And so I'm probably going to make me a rack where you slide the injectors down in there and it cleans the tips. May even incorporate some kind of electronic pulsing mechanism that actually pulses them while they clean. You can get those online. As a matter of fact, I may feature those on this channel. So without the basket, I mean, it's just a simple stainless pan in there with a drain. Nothing to it, like I said. Basket just fits in there nice and snug. And then your lid. Probably gonna fill it half and half. 1 gallon of cleaner. Probably start off like a degreaser. 1 gallon of water. Let's go run it and see how it does. All right, there we go. So just 50-50 solution. 1 gallon of super clean, 1 gallon of water, and I've got it turned on so you can see that it's if I were to turn the heat on, it's set to 25 degrees Celsius. It's currently 22 degrees Celsius, so it'll tell you where it's at and what it's set to. I don't have that on. And then 5 minutes is the default. So let's fire it up, see how it does. Got a couple bolts here. Just stuff that you'd get like right out of a factory car. Some more, more nasty than others. We'll see how clean they get in just 5 minutes. Oh wow, look. That's pretty crazy. All right, 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Let's see what they look like. All right, so it just cut off. Let's see what we're looking at. Ooh, look. These things are blue. Had no idea. Looks pretty good. Let me pull them out. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to see of this on camera. Everything looks really clean. Some rust on that one. A little bit of grease in there still. That thing right there looks really clean. Interesting. Only 5 minutes. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, there you go. The ultrasonic cleaner, the heated ultrasonic cleaner from Vever. As I always do, I'll drop you some links in the description along with a discount code if you want to buy anything on their site, not just this. Vever's motto is tough tools, half price. This particular tool was very affordable compared to other tools of its size. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys next week. It's Friday, fool!